So this is the new car?
There it is.
All right.
Nice, huh?
It's a nice car.
Eric, it's not just nice. It's a revolution in transportation technology.
After the beep, please say a command.
Playlist classical! This baby's got heated seats and headrests, a 2.6 megapixel backup camera, rear cross path protection, lane departure prevention, and it even reads my text out loud. Makes your old Volvo look like a moist cucumber. Anyway, I need you to go. I got a date with Jennifer tonight.
I thought we were getting froyo.
Froya? That's cute. You're so cute. But seriously, get out. I gotta get this baby waxed before 7. Hey, I'll see you tonight. But probably not, because I'll be too busy having sex. Ta-ta! Rear cross path detection, lane departure prevention, and it even reads my text out loud.
One new text message. To hear this message, say yes now.
Yes! No!
First new text message. Hey Brad, I know you're on a date with that girl you really like. Anyway, you're probably quote-unquote slamming that nasty pussy, but please take it slow this time. Also, a girl named Charlie's called and said she's keeping the baby.
I pulled out. You didn't even get to see the heated seats.
One new text message. To hear this message, say yes now.
No!
First new text message. Wiki wiki walboo jaboo. Can your car read that? Turn on your 2.6 pixel dick backup cam.
Forever and ever, yeah, 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 yeah.